Hey, you came back. One wonders why. In this tutorial, I will show you how to do a sign up so that your students can enter themselves in the tournament. You can accept or reject those entries, but it gives them a little bit of responsibility. If you're into teaching responsibility, I myself am not, because it's a headache later when they don't live up to their responsibilities. That's only kind of a joke. Then part 2 of this video will be how to print out your invoices so that you can pay the tournament directors. All right, here we go. Now, let's look at fees. This tells us, you know, I owe $6 because I entered 2 events. He's charging $3 a piece, and so that's how much I owe. Here's a cool feature. I can go ahead and print the full invoice. So here it is, and I can print that and then take that to my financial secretary, who will say, yeah, but you haven't done a fundraiser yet. And I will say, that's right, take it out of football, and then she will laugh. So there's that. I want to show you one more thing while we're here. So I've shown you how to enter. I've shown you how to find your invoice. I've shown you how to link videos to the entries. Now I want to show you signups. This is kind of a cool feature. So, or it can be, I assume. Sign up, if you create a sign up sheet, then this allows the students who are on your squad to sign up for themselves, so that you will then have the opportunity to accept or reject them, because they shouldn't be making these decisions just completely by themselves. They're not ready for that. But if you go here, you can decide, okay, when do they need to sign up? I'm going to say just randomly October the 19th, and then a time. Okay, let's say this is 1:50 is highlighted because that's the closest to the time it is as I do this video. But let's say, you know, fine, 1:50. I'm going to leave it there, okay? Oh, 1:50. There we go. You can click to send info and memo to students. So your students can click a button on their account that allows them to allows their parents to receive these emails and things like that. That's an option. You can also say show fees on sign up sheet. I'm going to do that because they need to know how much they're costing me financially. Then if you have, time and date for when the sign up is due, you can choose these options. Then if you have, like I always do at the beginning of a week on Monday of a tournament, they get an information sheet from me that gives them the pertinent information that I know, like if it's overnight, where we're staying and stuff like that. That will happen less this year, but there you have it. But I can put in their packet, I can choose a document here, fake Okarchi information sheet. So that's there, and then I can type in a message here, and then I'm gonna go to settings. So here's the thing. I've set this up, but now I need to turn it on so that kids can actually sign themselves up. So if I go to settings, let me save it first. Save sign up information. So now I've done that. Now I'm gonna click settings, and here, sign up sheet open. I'll click yes. It's open right now. So now any of my students can go and sign up. So let me show you what that process looks like. I'm going to log out as myself, and then I'm going to log in as a student. And so, I've logged in as Jean-Luc Picard. I have a real Star Trek, Star Wars problem. I've logged in as Jean-Luc Picard. Here's the information because I created a sign up. If he clicks info, that's the sheet that I uploaded so he can read that information. Jean-Luc, he's into reading. It's a very literate fellow. And then he can click here and go to sign up. And so now Jean-Luc can sign up for whatever he wants to sign up for. I'm sticking with asynchronous events right now just to make it easier. Let's give him original oratory. He's very smart and eloquent. And now he has done that. He himself can decide if he needs an ADA room or if he needs to request one. And then it says, once you save this entry, all competitors listed will be notified. So Jean-Luc will get an email So I'm going to save that. And now I, as the coach, you can see that on his, he's currently logged in, Jean-Luc, right? It's pending because he doesn't get to make that final decision. I get to. I don't always want to spend the weekend with certain students. That's not true. I love them all the same. Oh, wrong one. You can, geez. Hold, please. Maybe I can edit this somehow and it'll make sense, except that I'm still talking. So that's going to make it hard. All right, I'm logging in as myself again, so now I'm the coach. And you can see that because I have registered for Okarchi, it's now on existing tournaments. Along with OSSAA practice for the World Tournament, I can click on results and see the results. There are no results. But if there were, I would see them there. And because I've registered for Okarchi, it's here under existing tournaments. I'm going to click it, and then I'm going to go to, it's lit up for me, sign up, so I know that somebody has signed up. Wonder who? Oh, look at that. It's Jean-Luc. He's pending. Accepted are these people that I have put in. Nobody has been rejected because we don't reject anybody in speech. That's not true. That's not true. We say that. I'm going to accept him. These are all jokes. Not good ones. Okay, and so they're all in. So I could then go to Jean-Luc and I could enter his asynchronous stuff if I had it. I would think. So that's how that works. We've looked at how to enter students, either over here or from this page, competitor. We've looked at how to enter judges. We've looked at how to print our invoices. I'm up to $9 now. Definitely going to need a fundraiser. And then we've looked at how to create a sign up and then how your students can sign up when they log in to Tabroom. So that's it for this episode, this very special episode of Jason Figures Out How Tabroom Works. And I'll see you next time, unless you have something better to do, which you do.